Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to troubleshoot Netflix application crashing on your DREAME TV. First, let's force stop the Netflix application. To do that, press the gear button on your remote control, then open all settings by selecting the gear icon once again. Then let's go to the apps menu, and in apps, scroll down to see all apps. Then we're gonna have to scroll down to Netflix, find the Netflix application in here, and let's select force stop, then OK. Then let's select clear cache, then OK. And then try to reopen the application. And if this won't help you, then check if your application if your application has any updates to install to it. So hold your OK button on the Netflix application on the home screen and select View Details. And then check whether or not Netflix application requires an update. And if it does, then select Update. Let the application update to the latest version and then try to reopen it. Otherwise, just uninstall this app and then select Update or Install. Wait until the application is installed and then reopen it. And if you decide to uninstall this application, be aware that you're going to have to re-sign into your Netflix account after that, after the application is reinstalled. So let's wait until the installation process is finished. And right now, just reopen the app and everything should be working fine. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.